Hello dear friends. So today we will discuss about basic question that can be arise in your mind about CMA training, and later on I will let you know about new training scheme notified in February 2020. So let's get started. Before starting, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel for more information about CMA course. So let's start with some basic question like a Q&A. So our first question is, when should I start my articleship? Means आप अपनी articleship कब start कर सकते हो? So answer is, you may start your articleship on or after taking registration in intermediate. आप intermediate में registration करने के बाद कभी भी आप अपनी articleship start कर सकते हो, इसके लिए कोई भी restriction नहीं है. But I personally suggest कि you may start your articleship after completing any single group of intermediate, so that you will get some basic knowledge about some subjects, so that it will implemented in practical aspect. So you may start your articleship after taking registration in intermediate. Our second question is, where I can do my articleship? Means आप अपनी articleship कहाँ पे कर सकते हो? So answer is, you may do your articleship under a practicing cost accountant. Means अगर कोई cost accountant firm है तो आप वहाँ पे articleship कर सकते हो. Or you may do articleship in any organization like public sector undertaking, bank or any company, so that you may do your articleship in any organization. Our next important question is, still I have not completed my training, then I am eligible to give intermediate examination. मीन्स अभी तक आपने कोई भी आर्टिकलशिप नहीं की है और मीन्स स्टार्ट भी नहीं की है, तो क्या आप इंटरमीडिएट की एग्ज़ाम दे सकते हैं? तो आंसर इज यस, देयर इज़ नो restriction to give intermediate examination, even if you can start your articleship after completing intermediate. Now let's move forward on most important question that many people asking me on Instagram. So if you are not following us, then follow from a link in the description. So question is, I want to appear for single group in final and still my training is not completed. Shall I give exam? मीन्स अगर आपने ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट नहीं की है और आप फाइनल का कोई सिंगल ग्रुप देना चाहते हैं, तो क्या आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं वो सिंगल ग्रुप? सो आंसर इज यस, you may attempt single group without training, but you have to complete your training compulsorily before appearing for last group. So for example, if we take exam in December 2020, you are going to appear for group 3, and in June 2021 you are going to appear for group 4. So there is no need to complete training for December 2020 attempt for first group, but you have to complete your training for June 2021 attempt. So I hope you got the point. So let's move forward on our next question. This is our last basic question. You want more answer on practical training? Then I will share a PDF of FAQ on Telegram channel. So join the channel from a link in the description. So question is, which are the form I have to file when I start training and after completing my training? So answer is, when you start your training under cost accountant, means under a practicing cost accountant, you have to file T1 form, and when you are starting your training under means in any organization, you have to file T4 form, and when you complete your training in both the cases, you have to file T5 form. So link is also available in Telegram channel, so join the channel from link in the description. So let's move forward on our new training scheme. So let's now come on new training scheme notified in February 2020. So let's discuss it. So first important topic is duration of training period. So duration is training period is 15 months. Before that training you have to do only 6 month training, but now 6 months is replaced by 15 months. So what is written here? For every student who is रजिस्टर्ड फॉर इंटरमीडिएट कोर्स ऑन और आफ्टर 11th February 2020. मीन्स अगर आपने इंटरमीडिएट में आपका जो एडमिशन है वो 11th February 2020 के बाद हुआ है, तो आपको जो कंपलसरी 15 मंथ की प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग करनी होगी. अगर इससे पहले हुआ मीन्स 11th February 2020 से पहले आपका जो इंटरमीडिएट में रजिस्टर हो गया है, तो आपका जो भी ट्रेनिंग पीरियड होगा वो 6 मंथ होगा, ना कि 15 मंथ्स. सो लेट्स डिस्कस नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, Organization recognized for practical training. So practicing cost accountant, a form of cost accountant in any organization, bank, insurance, public sector undertaking, university management. You read all the names mentioned here. Next question is recognized area for training. So management accounting, cost accounting, financial management, audit, regulatory compliance, direct indirect tax, and many more written here, so you may read by your own. Who are to undergo practical training? Means every student you have to do practical training, but the criteria has been changed now, so exemption from practical training and all are mentioned here. You may read by your own. I will share this PDF to Telegram channel, so join the Telegram from a link in the description and subscribe the channel for more information and updates about CMA course information and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay safe.